Black Mirror has been inactive since Season 5 arrived at Netflix in 2019. So the major question is whether Season 6 is going to happen. If yes, when will it be released? In today's video, let's discuss everything we know about Black Mirror Season 6. Stay tuned to know more. Created by Charlie Brooker, this series was released in 2011. It has fascinated a lot of viewers with its provocative commentaries about current culture and technology. But Black Mirror Season 6 has been a question mark for 2 years. Black Mirror Season 5 premiered in June 2019 after a long halt, but with only 3 new episodes. In Striking Vipers, Anthony Mackie depicts a man battling with romance in both his real life and within a virtual reality, while Smithereens features Andrew Scott as a cab driver distressed by a fateful fault involving his phone. In the Season 5 ending, Rachel, Jack, and Ashley 2, Miley Cyrus features as a pop singer who experiences unique forms of consciousness. Black Mirror always keeps people buzzing on social media, but the series has proven to be unexpected with its release plan. After Brooker reflected doubts that Black Mirror Season 6 would happen, it has finally been renewed. After the series went silent for a few years, Netflix was finally able to renew Black Mirror for Season 6 in May of 2022. For a long time, it was not clear if the dark sci-fi show would ever return despite its popularity. The COVID-19 pandemic was a huge reason for this, as it not only stops the production on plenty of films and TV shows worldwide, but also stops the demand for stories about the end of the world. Charlie Brooker also commented in a 2020 interview saying, quote, "At the moment, I don't know what stomach there would be for stories about societies falling apart, so I'm not working away on one of those." End of quote. However, the appetite has returned, with Black Mirror Season 6 set to feature even more episodes than Season 5. Black Mirror Season 6 release date. Black Mirror Season 6 doesn't have a release date yet, but the structure of earlier Black Mirror release dates may give some clues as to when it might drop. Black Mirror's first 2 seasons were released on the British network Channel 4. Since Netflix's acquisition, at least 1 year has separated the release of new seasons, with Black Mirror Season 5 coming 17 months after Season 4's release in December 2017. This production history tells that Black Mirror Season 6 won't release before the later half of 2023, but it could also be a good while longer. Black Mirror is already remembered for having episodes of more than 60 minutes and very high production value. But Black Mirror Season 6 is clearly even more cinematic in scope, which could mean a long wait until its release. Before we move ahead, if you're liking this content so far, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now, let's continue. Black Mirror Season 6 episodes details. Ahead of the release, Black Mirror storylines are always a guarded secret, and the same goes for Season 6. Till now, 20 of Black Mirror's 22 episodes have been written by Brooker. Jesse Armstrong wrote the Season 1 episode, The Entire History of You, featuring Toby Kebbell and Jodie Whittaker, while Rashida Jones and Mike Skur wrote the teleplay for the Season 6 episode, Nosedive. It's unclear what Brooker is cooking up for Black Mirror Season 6, but it's quite evident that themes from the pandemic will play an important role. Brooker has also been focusing on his comedy work since the last Black Mirror season was released, so maybe dark humor is also present in the store. Why has Black Mirror Season 6 taken such a long period of time? Well, the COVID-19 pandemic played its part in Black Mirror Season 6's long-standing suspicion, but there were also other reasons for its delay. Brooker and his creative partner Annabelle Jones developed Black Mirror's first 5 seasons at their production company House of Tomorrow, but both decided to step down in January of 2020. They've now started up a new one, Broken Bones, which Netflix backs. But the rights to Black Mirror stayed with House of Tomorrow's parent company, Endemol Shine Group, which was acquired by Banijay Group in the summer of 2020. As a result, Netflix was not able to order more Black Mirror seasons until working out a deal with Banijay, which it looks like they now have. However, it was in limbo for these 2 years, but Black Mirror Season 6 is back and should be better than ever. According to reports, the cast for Black Mirror Season 6 has also been revealed, and it's one of the most star-studded seasons till now. This casting will cover only 3 episodes, so later announcements may add even more exciting members to the upcoming season. For now, the official list includes Zazie Bates, Papa Asidu, Josh Hartnett, Aaron Paul, Kate Mara, Danny Ramirez, Clara Ruggard, Auden Thornton, and Ajana Vasan. Many of these stars already have some great amount of experience in the sci-fi and horror genres. One major reason that Black Mirror is able to draw such major stars is the fact that it's an anthology series, and one episode is much less of a time agreement than a full season. Another advantage of this system is the fact that the story will be shot down by the end of the episode without a cliffhanger, so anything can happen to the characters at the center. This will allow all these interesting actors to have the opportunity to really sink their teeth into their roles and lift themselves to some interesting and crazy places in this process. What's your take on this topic? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out.